everyone, my name is Amanda Else and I'm Advanced Glazing's Limited Marketing Manager. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is how SoleraWall provides you with a lower cost option to add glass that works, performs, and adds value to your buildings. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell up top for a notification every time we upload a new video. So let's get started. Today's video we're going to cover 3 examples of how SoleraWall provides you with a lower cost for your insulated metal panel building with glass. So the first is that SoleraWall installs just like insulated metal panels. The second is that SoleraWall transitions are fully integrated. And the third is that SoleraWall is a cladding system and leaves the framing behind. So what exactly do we mean by all of that? Well, let's dive in. So the first is that SoleraWall installs just like insulated metal panels. So by saving on installation time, and it gives you a faster build time, we can help you lower the cost of your building. So SoleraWall does this by making use of the primary structure of your building, which minimizes the need for a separate structure. By using the primary structure, SoleraWall eliminates the expense and complexity of curtain wall. So let's go into example number 2. How exactly do we do that? By using transitions that are fully integrated. So SoleraWall is simple to install. We have 3 different transitions that are fully integrated. So the first is a sill transition. This goes on top of an insulated metal panel, and then you can put your SoleraWall panel right on top. The way this works is that there's a sill transition, there's a starter plate, the gasket still goes on, and then the panel goes right on top. And this works, all of these transitions work for the translucent and the vision glass versions of SoleraWall. Right. So the second transition that we have is called a SoleraWall header. And this works by allowing you to have the SoleraWall panel at the bottom, and then you have your transition, and then you have your insulated metal panel on top. And that's another option for the design of your building. And the third is called a insulated metal panel transition backer plate. This is the side-by-side, so you can see the transition glazing, and then you have your insulated metal panel. So that's how that one would work. So the transition type used depends on the design of your building, and we're here to help you make sure that you use the right transition and actually a combination of transitions on your building. So the third example we have today is that SoleraWall is a cladding system and leaves the framing behind. So what exactly do we mean by that? So SoleraWall, opposed to infill, is a cladding system that goes over the primary structure of your building, eliminating the need for curtain wall. SoleraWall eliminates the cost and need of infill and curtain wall on your project. So these are just 3 examples of how SoleraWall insulated glass cladding system can provide you with a lower cost for your next insulated metal panel building. We're here to help you add glass into your building with SoleraWall, which is available in both a translucent glazing to add natural daylight and vision glass to add views into your next building. Thanks for watching. See you next time.